Hello, this is Neil with Hiniker Company. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a 3881-3112 headlight adapter for the Ford quad halogen headlight system. Before we begin, it's important that we are using the current under-hood harness. Part number 3881-3097. The LED adapters are just not compatible with any previous harnesses. It's easy to recognize the current harness because it has 4 relays on the driver's side and 3 relays on the passenger side. It also has the AMP CPC 16-pin connector at the grill. Once the truck has the underhood harness, solenoid, and power cable installed, we can move on to installing the headlight adapters. The headlight adapter kit comes in 4 parts, with the 2 relay adapters and the 2 of the 3-way adapters. Starting with the upper set of headlights, we take the 3-way adapter and plug it in directly to the headlight assembly. We'll do that by disconnecting the plug that looks like these and plugging this in line. The 3rd connector goes directly to the underhood harness like so. Once that's all plugged in, we want to make sure it's tucked out of the way and we can move on to the lower set of headlights. Moving on to the bottom headlight, we're going to take the relay adapter, plug it in the same way using the inline connections. Route the cables back up to the relay bank where we're going to mount these 2 relays. Next we have to tie in the red and black wires. Important to know that these are not power and ground wires. These are switched power and ground wires. So we have to match them up to the red wire with the black stripe and the black wire with the white stripe on the relay bank. We're going to do that using a Scotch lock. So we take the appropriate wire, in this case the black wire with the white stripe, mount the Scotch lock onto that wire, place the wire that we're tapping in with, and then using a plier, clamp down in the Scotch lock in order to tie that into the circuit. Repeat that for the red wire with the black stripe and we'll be up and running. Once the wires are connected and tucked away, we're done on this side, and we just simply repeat this process for the other side to complete the installation. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at the factory.